Hashtag rubbing fan.
4 days ago. Grinding, whatever it's doing.
Yeah, it sounds like the fan is rubbing. Yeah, it's 100% the fan. Fan is on its last legs. You hear that fan? Yeah, it's on its last legs.
Is that can you swap that out with it? Is it easy to get that part?
Yeah, getting the part is easy, but doing the repair isn't. And you said it was still leaking down here, yeah?
Well, I emptied that water yesterday. It was about halfway out of the hole.
But you said the pressure stayed more consistent, yeah?
It has been stable. I haven't had a water.
It gets a bit better as it runs.
It cycles.
I can hear it now, so it's...
It'll be calm, and then another 2 minutes it'll rattle again, and then when you turn it off, it will run.
I'll have to get you a new one then.